Hey, what is up guys, this is Braden here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video on my new fidget spinner. I do have a decent amount of these. I sell them sometimes, but you know, as kids know, in my school. But I ordered one offline, and as you can see, I marked out all my information so you guys cannot see it. And so I guess I'm basically just going to be opening this. And I got this from Fidget. Link in the description. So I want to give a shout out to them. Even though it does take a while for them to ship it to us. I've been waiting for this for like 3 weeks. Okay, see. I like that spinner fidget. It says spinner fidget, but in my angle, but let's open this thing up. The art. Yeah. Let's go, boys. Okay, see, I just got standard colors, black and blue. And then watch this. Yeah, that part spins. But I've been wanting this for a while. I like it now. This is how it spins. See, I finally got this one so I can take this places. And I'm waiting on another one because that one's going to be really cool. Instead of this piece of crap. Or like this piece of poop. But yeah, guys. And there will be more to this video. This is just not like whatever. This is not like just this, but yeah. But I like the packaging on it. It says spinner fidget, but I thought it was fidget spinner. Guess people just got mixed up. And it says on the back, warning: use this product under adult supervision. Avoid using this product near eyes. Do not throw the product. If there are any issues with the product, contact us right away. Thank you and enjoy fidgeting. I like that. I'm probably going to keep this. Maybe put something in it. But packing, this is like, thing. It has bubble wrap in it and everything. Like a normal UPS package. USP or whatever I'm going to call it. And yeah. But, so I'm actually pretty hyped for this. Getting this. This is actually one of my first sit-down desk videos. Just like talking to you guys. So like hypnotizes you when you look at it. But yeah. It is pretty loud if you can hear it. Except for like this one. That one's not a song. But, I mean, I don't know really what to do with this or anything, but like, wait. Oh, that's hard. That's hard. But yeah, I guess I finally got this. And other thing, like, I like you guys and everything. Like, don't like dislike this video or anything if you're watching this Fidget.ly. But it does take a while for them to ship here. It's been like 3 weeks maybe. They said it would come last Saturday, and it's, well, yeah, last Saturday, and it is Thursday today. So a little bit, a few days after they tell you, but it is what it is. But I like this. I basically really don't know what else to do. We might, forget what I was gonna do, but, oh, I want to see if these pop off. Or if they unscrew. These things. Let me get, I guess I'll just use this fork. Oh wait, there's the knife. Ouch. That's not gonna work. I don't know what they did to theirs, but I wonder if these unscrew. About that one. This is on my old fidget spinner. Uh-oh, this one's gonna be hard to get. See, there's one side of it. Still spins and everything. But do not do this at home, kids. If you're watching this underage, there we go. Ouch. It's not as hard to do it, but it just hurts if you mess up. Ow. See? See, it still spins fine. Your finger can't be on this part right here, so you have to like. But yeah, you can still do anything you want with it. Let me find these now. Okay, so you basically just pop them off. There we go, there's one. And here is two. But, guess I might end the video here. I mean, I don't know what else I was going to do with this video except for just unbox. But, guys, don't forget to go check Fidget out. The link is in the description. Don't forget to share this video, guys, and leave a like if you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and guys, I guess I will see you in the next one. Peace!